I'm gonna go piss real quick. I'm here now. I just think that Twitch is getting ads right now. I'm like, do I start while Twitch is getting ads? It just told me they're gonna get ads. Ah, you'll just miss it. Why do I unmute before I log in? Because then it like ruins the vibe of the thing, right? My camera's much higher quality now. It makes me uncomfortable. But oh, and then this. Oh yeah, see the ad break started. One thing you might notice is I've upped the resolution a lot. Oh. Good. This is what we're doing today. We got our first error. What? Oh. Don't worry. Let me fix this. This is what we're doing. Is we're checking bugs. Uh-oh. Okay, it's fine. So, let me fix this real quick. This is going to be var color if payload.data.message.color equals null or dot has color not has color, then color equals that color. Else color equals, don't worry, I got this. So this is a weird thing with Twitch where I had the same bug actually with the last thing. Actually, I fixed this last stream too. But that didn't work. Okay. Let's see. Someone speak in Twitch chat. Oh, I have to reset it, I think. Did that work? No. What? Well, this is what we're doing. This is what we're doing today, is breaking things. Let me at least read chat. What's good? What's good? How dare you actually look normal? Yeah, it is. It is weird that I'm uncomfortably visible, where normally I'm like super pixelated. But it's because I upped the resolution. So yeah, Twitch chat is broken. Let's see why it would be. Oh. That's why. Maybe? Maybe? No. I'm going to restart it. Don't ignore that. Ignore that. Ignore that. Ignore that. Ignore that. No, so that's what we're doing today, by the way, is all I'm doing is I'm coding and I'm fixing this stuff, and I'm going to chill and talk with chat while I fix this, because I'm not feeling very great today. Physical-wise, illness-wise. So, I'm going to do some coding and such. And we might play Pigeon later if I feel well enough. Now we need to find someone who hasn't assigned themselves a color. Let's also do this. Maybe a bad idea. Okay, no, that should work. So I'm going to make this your default color then. So your default color is now whatever my color was, which was that blue. So it shouldn't crash the chat anymore. One thing I might want to do is up the font size here. Let me play the music. Can you hear my mic okay, by the way? I know that no one in chat ever says it. Also, to anyone in YouTube, sorry if I neglect your message. Due to Twitch's guidelines, I have to like prioritize everything Twitch related, and also that's just how everything is set up. So if you can, head over to Twitch and I'll be able to read your messages. I can still see YouTube chat. I'm just stupid, so sometimes I miss it more often. Speaking of stupid, took me at least a full minute to find the show all button on Spotify so I can play my own music. Which I have to do because here we go. There you go. Can you hear that? This is another thing that's super buggy. But here's the Spotify. Super broken, but there's my Spotify built-in thing. We'll fix that later. Does it sound too loud? Maybe turn it down for me. Justin Oval's stream gets copyright struck by himself. It probably would. Okay, sorry, YouTube viewers. Let me scroll up in chat and read a few things. Hope you feel better. Thank you. Did you get the 5 orphan children? I don't know what that means. What food should you get? Well, I have rice and beans here that I'll be eating off on the side. You should just... I needed to make this in like 5 minutes. I didn't eat. Alright. I'm just going through chat because there's a bunch of different people in each chat. I love your stream layout so much. Thank you, thank you. We're gonna be fixing a few things. Oh yeah. Wait, let me pull up the things that I was gonna say this stream. So, since last time, I've fixed a few critical bugs that would stop the stream and break it. And also, all emotes should work. You see that? You see this? You see this? You see this? Okay, I can't zoom in the emote. I haven't figured that part out yet, but like, that's an animated emote that works now. So those work in Twitch chat. These badges work. I don't know what badge this is. I'm gonna make the font size a bit bigger. But I can write that down. We'll do it later. I did a bit of visual rework because the shaders, I didn't really like the shader, and now I'm just kind of playing around to see what I like. So this is 3 shaders stacked on top of each other because I'm insane. Let me read Twitch chat. I think I've read like 2 messages from Twitch chat. Let me read your stuff, because that's what that's where we're gonna help. Call an ambulance, please. I can't speak English anymore. You don't have a color. Sailor Spooky, you do have a color. It was red. Oh god, I wish I could read. Yeah, you're up here. So I believe it was assigned to you. I don't know. Hello, Verohiso. Have I ever pronounced your name right? Say cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Alright. Okay, it's the quirky legend himself. That's me. What's up, Fox Boy? His stream setup is so cool. Thanks! What we're going to be doing this stream is fixing it because it's a little bit broken. Ugh. So, we already fixed one bug within, like, 5 minutes of the stream. Ow, that hurt really bad. I'm going to turn my fan up a little bit. Surely you won't be able to hear it. Okay. So, I'll let you have access to my Godot in a minute, but let me write down one thing that I discovered, which was, oh no, I don't want to hear my voice. No, don't do that to me. Make the Twitch chat font size bigger. We might be able to do that now. Oh, I'm getting errors too in my console. But some of these errors here, let me show you. I shall vanish. Goodbye, Alita. Thanks for stopping by. Let me... Please work. So, now you can read things too. Okay. Oh my goodness. Also, for those that aren't aware, I am also a Vtuber. I have not started my Vtuber program, so it's gonna be broken. Okay. Let me also do... Hello there, what's going on? I just started a stream. We're just kind of chatting at this point. Can you make a YouTube chat window? I can't. Because Twitch won't let me. I can't acknowledge that YouTube exists. In fact, I implore you to go over to Twitch, because that's the only thing that's letting me stream on both. It's also where I started streaming, and now I'm doing both, mostly for convenience, because I know a lot of people don't have Twitch, but you can at least watch the stream live. Hello from Twitch. Mouse Destroyer. Yeah. So let me get this booted up here. Please. Aha. There we go. It's me. That's me. I don't know where to point so that it's like something broke. Oh, something broke. That's interesting. Let me copy your message and see what exactly broke. Patch user image. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna write that down. Sometimes emotes don't work, and then I'll paste this as in here. Hold on, I need to like put Mouse Destroyer not down. No, that almost came out wrong. I'm just writing down how your message was parsed, because it was a really broken thing. Was it Lior or Lack? It was Lack that wrote that. Yeah, every once in a while they'll break. I think it's just the way that it was parsed was weird. And I'm like, I don't know. I wonder if that was how the words in my head are gone. I wonder if Twitch, if it was a Twitch problem or if it was a me problem. It's hard to tell, but I wrote it down and I've saved it. Let me reset my cat because my cat was broken. I'm sorry, I deleted the cat, but I can add him back in a minute. Dude, this song's too intense. Twitch problem? Yeah, I'm wondering if Twitch is the way that Twitch sends its payloads, or at least from StreamerBot, it has like the emotes. It's like it splits it into this weird thing that you have to kind of parse and like put together. But the indices, I wonder if they're off or something. Cause see how it works there, but then it doesn't work. Or it could be a BB code issue as well, which is how I'm using doing the rich text stuff. Opinion on kiwi birds, they're pretty cool. I've never seen one in real life, unfortunately. I'm gonna eat some rice and beans. Let's see. Okay, let me actually do stuff now. I mostly kind of wanted to just talk to chat today. Because I don't feel well and I don't want to do anything that's like too, I don't know. I'm lazy. But then I want to fix a few bugs because there's a few things that we can test while I am live. For example, the thing that we can test while we're live is that. That's something I want to fix. So for context in the YouTube chat, I just typed !Discord. But the command doesn't work in YouTube. However, it works in Twitch. No, it doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. There we go. So let's see. And now, can you reply to people? Because maybe that's why. Or is it because, let me see. Maybe it's just the way that I set it up. Discord. It is. I think it's just, okay, it's just in Twitch. Huh. Well, then that makes me think. How do you model and what program do you use? I use Blender. And how do I model? I fuck around and find out until it works and I'm happy. I think it's so, yeah, I'm just stupid. In StreamerBot, it solely says Twitch reply to message. So I'm gonna have to be like, if in YouTube, reply to YouTube. What scripting language is this? This is Godot. I'm not showing you my StreamerBot at the moment just because I don't have that set up to show you. But they're all going back and forth. So no, it shouldn't lack, but that's a thing that I'm going to be fixing. Probably not this stream, probably before the next stream. Such a good explanation. I'm sorry, I'm bouncing back between so many messages and explanations. But the BB code, there's like, I'm not gonna make it so you can use line breaks. There's just like some things that people can do that'll break chat. Not like bad, it'll just look weird. So I'm gonna fix that before next stream. Speaking of before next stream, my next stream will be my last stream for about 2 weeks because I'll be across the country. Which means that next week I'm gonna make like 3 videos just to keep things going. What song should I play? Because I don't have like I was gonna make a new playlist before this stream, but I don't have the issue with, so Twitch VODs, they now let you separate the Spotify audio stream out, like away from the Twitch VODs, but stay in the stream, so I can play whatever thing I want without getting copyright strike. But YouTube takes that away. Okay. I was doing something. Dude, I'm so good at streaming. Core, logic, if else. I think I'm going to... Maybe I work on commands later if I want to put a command in YouTube chat, because I think that's gonna, I thought it was gonna be really easy. It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought it would, unfortunately. So let me see. Let's see another thing that I can fix instead. IRL stream when? Never. I'm terrified of people. This is the most you're getting is my face. At first I was like debating whether I want to like show my face in this way, but then I realized like on my Twitch streams it was really not hard to like see what my face looked like even though it was pixelated. Like it's the exact same. People have already seen it. Well, to anyone that has seen my Twitch streams prior in the olden days. Let's see, can I be counted as a Justin OG? Yeah, Leora, you'd be considered an OG. Thanks, Violet, for the 10 bits. Hello, TK gamers. Dumb question, I'm new here, but what is he programming? I'm programming, I'm being bad at it, but I'm programming in Godot. This is what I made. This is this stuff. What you see before you is what I'm currently working on, what I'm currently programming. Oh, here's a good error. Okay, this is a good error. This one keeps happening. You can't see that number, but it says 696. This is a Spotify error that keeps happening, which if I had to close it, and that's why you saw it was frozen on Whistles and Missiles. Because I don't know where this comes from. Because it doesn't tell me. So, when I looked it up, it means that it's like there was an issue. So Spotify, that's like the biggest bug that I want to deal with, but I literally have no idea where it comes from. And it sounded like it was an issue with the thing that Spotify sends back when you pull. I don't know. It's weird. Hello, Ewoks. I was going to say a thing, but there's a rule. Yes, there are rules for reasons. Let's see. Xena, hello. Welcome back, I think. I think I recognize your name. It's time to drink water. Oh, I got my water bottle that I actually just refilled. This is just fucking plastic water bottle. Can't you run it and catch the exception so it links to the line number? Nope. Well, maybe, but I don't know where that would be happening. It's likely it's happening in here somewhere because this is my pull request. But also Godot doesn't have a try and catch. And it's like I could, but it's not. I'm the guy from Y Muse. Is that an email? Did you send me an email, Ewoks? Is that the French game company? If I remember, if I'm correct, I'm a genius. That's crazy. My brain, massive. Brain, massive. See, I read my emails. I don't remember what I said. I just remember the email that I got. It's the Spotify API. Yeah, it's the Spotify. I don't know if it's the Spotify API giving me something that's bad. And I'm like, okay, well, if it does, is there a way I can just completely, because like if I restart the program, it works now, right? We just use that. So I think it's somewhere and the reason, so it keeps going. I get the error. See how I get the error every second? That's because that's how often it pulls. So we know that it's at least the error in the Spotify thing is at least in this function. At the very least, we know that. And that it could be here. It could be here. But I think it's here because in this scenario, things are changed and nothing changes when I get that error. So I'm going to write down unknown error here, maybe. Here, maybe. I thought you were Bill Wirtz. I'm not Bill Wirtz. My stuff is like definitely adjacent, but not similar enough to where people think I am Bill Wirtz. Unfortunately, I'm not. Maybe you're filtering the things Spotify sends. I don't know why that would cause an error. Can you make a video of how you do the fried effect on Blender in the future? I think I have. Oh, what did you do now? What? No, I don't. Shut up. What even is this error? Integer. Oh, that's just because I saved while it's running. Godot. Yeah, it's my favorite. Looked in the mirror as beautiful as... I don't know what these words are now. Let's see. What is happening in these chats? Duolingo. Oh, God. People are chatting amongst themselves, and I'm like, how does this relate to? It doesn't. It's not meant to. Perfect transition. Huh. Error. Give me an error. Invalid assignment of property or key with value of image texture on a base. This probably just means I have to restart. Wait, what? Where is this function ever used? Oh, it's used in Spotify. I'll write that down. Spotify still uses old HTTP utils. Get JPEG. Oh. Should use caching system similar to streamer bot? Question mark. Okay, that's where I did an oopsie. 754 errors. Why? Why'd you do that? You know what? Easy solution to all my problems. Clear the console. Now there's no errors. That's crazy. Will Wood. I love Will Wood. Didn't know who Bill Wirtz was until I saw a comment saying this guy's like Bill Wirtz for an alternate dimension. That's like an end. I think those are like ones that I'm like, I like that explanation. Where it's like, because you're basically just saying it's Bill Wirtz adjacent. So it's funny though it's funny reading comments and seeing what everyone's thinking about how who my inspirations are. They're trying to piece it all together, and a lot of people have there's been people who've like completely torn apart my videos and were like, they knew where they knew exactly where I drew inspiration from, and exactly what from, and exactly why I made the video, or whatever. Guess he's trying to fix something in the stream. Here and there. Sometimes I'm just talking and not actually doing what I say I'm going to be doing. You know, I stream a little bit for accountability, because I'm like, oh, I'll do accountability, so that I actually start working, and then I just talk to chat instead. What am I doing? What do I have to do? I have my Notion up. If there's an error that causes freeze, resubs to all channels? No. I don't think that happens anymore. I think I solved this one. What's happening? Honestly, nothing at this point. I'm coding, but like, I'm not, but I'm not, I'm being lazy. I'm procrastinating and talking to chat instead. Let's see. It's because last night I fixed a lot of things. So now I'm like, well, what do I code? I know one thing I do want to code is really funny feature in my Notepad. If I'm typing, it just shakes the window the faster I type, because that would be funny, right? I did also code this, which lets me zoom in and out of the Notepad, because I'm like, oh wait, that's right. I don't fucking know what I'm doing. Took me a minute. Let's see. Faster you type. Oh yeah, maybe I should upload this too. Come in here. No, nothing going on there. Can you divide by 0? Nope. That'd be fire. Do it. What am I doing? I don't remember what the hell is. Oh, the Notepad thing? Yeah. Okay, so first step is to, let's drag out the first step. First step is to get my words per minute. And then we want to, every single time I type in the notepad, get the words per minute, use the words per minute to shake the window. And then here, wait, actually I'll do a, create a like a window shake function. I had one in another program I made. Having a bagel. I love bagels. I can't eat bagels. Ah. On my nose. Make each vocal do something. Can you zoom into Spotify the same way as a notepad? No, I can't. Is there? Can you not read something? I might just make Spotify a little bit bigger. Because what I did is, I just super upped the resolution, so now you can actually read things on the screen, because it used to be super pixelated, which is why like the taskbar down here is really small now. I'm gonna restyle things a little bit over time. So should be. I lost exactly what I was saying. This goes all the way up to... That's funny. That goes all the way up there, but eventually it'll start deleting those. Could also have earthquake function. Yeah, I could name it that. I was just gonna call it like window shake. But like if I come into... oh, the ads are starting soon for Twitch. A lot of and O. We're talking about... Is that my vocals? Is that what we're speaking about? When you say I use a lot of vocals? I do have Twitch, but I only have it. I only made it to get Minecraft Twitch cape. Well, when I start making I'm gonna start making interactive things so people can spend their channel points, and that'll be fun. And then you'll wanna come over to Twitch. I think. Let's do the shake function first, actually. Oh, here's it coming. Here's it coming. Here's it coming. Here it is. Here it is. We're gonna... Okay. When was it? When was the playing time is running out? Or did it just bug and go back there? Curse this! Curse this! You see this? You see this? I don't know why it does that. Should make a warning siren for ads. Eventually I will, actually. I'm gonna have something that pops up and says that ads are incoming, and then there's gonna be like an overlay like Pirate Software has. But I don't have that figured out yet. So shake, we're going to we need to take the original position, offset it a bunch with noise or whatever, with noise for a certain amount of time. I don't actually need with noise, just do random number, I guess. For a certain amount of time. And then where am I? Does my mic sound okay? It does, right? I think we already established that. What's happening? Take the original position, offset a bunch, random number. Ah! Oh. Thanks, Violet, for gifting subs and testing my other function. Gifts doesn't exist on that. Then what does? Thank you, Violet, for 5 community sub gifts. That was considered a gift bomb. We've confirmed that that is called a gift bomb, according to Twitch. So, let's see. Data.total. So that should be that instead. Continue play. So to fix it, now I should be able to replay that or something. Thank you, Violet. I should be able to replay that. No, Did you die? You did die. You died because it froze. Now, I don't know. Do I have to restart it again? Every once in a while when it crashes, I think it disconnects from the Twitch chat. Why would it do that though? Okay. Every once in a while. Not all the time. When it crashes, it will disconnect from the Twitch chat. And I have to completely restart. Alright. Okay. Everyone ignore this. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. Oh, shit. Just logging back into my computer. Yeah, I crashed. My computer blue screened. That's a genius idea. I should have it be a blue screen instead of saying that I'm stupid. What's up, gang? So yeah, Twitch chat disconnects. So we'll figure that one out as well on why that happens. I wonder if the WebSocket disconnects. And next time I have to look at the log. Okay, sick. I think the WebSocket breaks. Hi, Justin. Hi, Carl. Megaton Radio. Thanks for the 2 euros, pounds. Oh, I don't know my currency symbols. I think that's a euro. Thank you. Thank you for Shrimp Miku. My life now has meaning. Oh, it is euro. I'm a genius. Yeah, I'm so glad that people like Shrimp Miku because I actually had like such a problem with it for a while. And I didn't upload it for a while, but you guys can thank my friend Hopin for getting me to do that. I've never seen someone show their stream, how their stream overlay works, let alone how they program it. Oh, yes. I'll let you see everything. And I'm going to make, certain parts of it are going to be open source. Certain parts of it are going to be, not, but doesn't really matter. Shrimp Miku? What is Shrimp Miku? One of my videos. Couldn't help but notice how high your like to view ratio is. Yeah, I noticed it's very high when I have like a lower amount of views because I guess people just keep, I think it might, maybe it's like subscribers keep coming back to certain videos. Or I don't know what I was saying there. Hold on, let me test. Oh, I can't test it. So I do think that we fixed that, Violet. The gifts subbing. I have made a lot of stuff in Scratch and I think it's good. Scratch is good, yeah. I have to go, Justin. Goodbye. I wish you luck with all your coding. Farewell, Squirrel Flight. Want me to test it? I don't want you to spend money to test something, but I would like to figure out what just happened? Oh, my hype train ended. I was like, don't do that. Oh my god, I got an emote from my own chat. Frog Ponder. I don't not remember what the hell I was just talking about. Imagine Miku, but a shrimp. Yeah, it's literally, that's my video. What about YouTube chat? What about YouTube chat? The Twitch has guidelines where I can't show the YouTube chat. That's why I implore people to go over to Twitch if they can. I was promised a cat VTuber. What is this lump of flesh? Hey. I'm a cat VTuber too. I'm just being more chill, okay? So right now I'm flesh moding. Where's Jordan? Jordan isn't here. Jordan isn't here right now. Actually, I have not coded Jordan whatsoever. but he will eventually be here. Trust me. I've transferred from YouTube. Welcome! Carl is not human. See, now you're in chat. Now I can... Look at this. I can put you on display so that people know what they should do. Oh! Thank you, Violet! Technically, that's not what you were supposed to test. But I appreciate it. Taloy Mickey. I recognize that name. No, it's okay, Violet. So, I'll give you context on what I'm working on in the alerts and what the issue is. But you don't have to... You don't have to test it. Don't spend your money. So, a Twitch gift sub, you can see here, is considered one sub that you directly give to someone. A gift bomb apparently translates as a completely different event, but it's when you gift subs to multiple people, which I didn't know that, which is why it was so broken last time and why we're still fixing it. So when you gifted 5 subs, what's supposed to happen, and again, I can figure out a way to test this. What's supposed to happen is, it's gonna pop up 5 times of those different things. Hopefully. That's the goal. Carl, are you okay with being on display? Okay. Alright, let me do that. Yeah, you good? Okay, I'm just gonna put you down in this corner and hope that it doesn't close and break everything. You came from YouTube too? Welcome, welcome. I appreciate everyone transferring over. Okay, what is the goal? What am I doing right now? Because there is this. What happens if the message gets deleted? I should be able to... It should delete... Actually, I'll test with your message. If I delete your message, it deleted there. So that's actually something that I fixed recently. I don't think that timed you out. Oh, Megaton Radio, thanks for subscribing with Prime. I appreciate it. And hey, my alert works this time. It's a bit small, but it makes this... You guys heard the alert sound, and now it's here, right? And it says Megaton Radio, subscribe with Prime. Eventually, I'm going to rework the alert system. It's probably going to be a different way, but I like that, what it is right now, which is kind of cute. How do you have such a well-followed YouTube and a ridiculously obscure Twitch? Because I, only started on... So I haven't streamed on Twitch in like 8 months, and I just started again, and now I'm multi-streaming on YouTube as well. You copy the message to a window. Let's see. I don't think so, no. Actually, no, it shouldn't. So if I do this, you mean? And then if I delete your message? Yeah, no, it's still here. But that's a... I like that. We should keep it there. But yeah, no, I just, I basically just started streaming again. So my Twitch, and also I don't like promote my Twitch too much on my YouTube, but now this is implicitly promoting my, my stuff. A while ago you mentioned setting colors on Twitch. How? Oh, you can set... So you see how your name is blue in my chat? That's your default don't have a color unless you choose that color. But it should be in your settings down in the chat if a mod wants to figure that out, or if you could just Google it. I don't know. What am I solving now? I think when it crashes, it just disconnects. Oh, and I'm getting download image. It's because you're using emote. Okay. That's my least favorite error, is that when it downloads an image, so I have to have it attempt to download a JPEG first, then a PNG, then a BMP, then a KTX, then an SVG, then a TGA, then a WebP. But it gets an error. So let's say it's a KTX, then it errors 3 times first, and then it will do KTX. I don't know why. I also think that this function's wrong. No. No, that's right. Because it's going to be, if it's a JPEG, if it's okay. JPEG. If it's a JPEG, then if it's okay, then it passes. Megaton Radio gives it a tier 1 sub to Fluxionate. Thank you. I appreciate that. You're really in the acronym deep end now. That was just a bunch of letters. Yeah, you know. Why not switch? What are you switching? What's happening? Where you post your games, do you have an... It's censored that word for me. Do I have an itch? Is that what you're gonna say? Itch. I do have an itch. I'll put it in chat. So my games, I only have like 2 things out that aren't really games, but I am going to be actually coding a game live on stream eventually, probably after my trip to Washington. Hey, we don't need to hear that one, okay? I like procrastinating. So in like 3-ish weeks, maybe a month or so, I'm going to, because my whole trip to Washington is 2 full weeks, so I will not be doing anything content related during that time. The most I'll be doing is I'll have videos scheduled to upload, probably. I don't know how insane they'll be, because they'll all be made in like 1 day. But then after that time, I'm going to be working on coding a game, and I'll be doing it live on stream. Because then I can do 2 birds with 1 stone. You can do /color. Ah, I didn't know you could do /color. It is in the settings, but I don't know where. I think it's if you go settings, chat appearance. No, I don't know. It's easier to just do /color then. Will we ever get a merch based on your newest video? Oink. Sure. Yeah, if people want it, yeah. Because I really like that video. I'm glad you like it and others do as well. I could write down. Well, no, I'm of course gonna do it, so I would know. But I don't know how soon, because I just released a few shirts and hoodies. Just a spinning fish should be enough for entertainment, I think. Honestly, yeah. What's that in reference to? Waiting for a video to upload while you're here, and you turn to me and go, who uploaded this? I want to start coding Godot. Any tips? 2 tips. 1, just start making something. Just have a thing that you want to make and start working on it. It's fine if it doesn't work out and you don't finish making it. Just have a project that you want to work on. 2, Godot has fantastic documentation just built in and on their website. I would definitely recommend looking that up. Should use if, else if there. I am. If and elif. Yippee! Okay. I look forward to that game. Yes, I look forward to that game. Okay. What am I doing? Now I'm just checking off my tasks. Hey, you know a cool thing I can do? I can come in here and I can say that. Wait, does that work? That's not an HTTPS. It does work. Okay. You can join my Discord if you want. I sent that to YouTube chat. I can send it to Twitch too, but I think most people are in my Discord. There's that. Let's go back to coding. The thing that I said I was gonna do. The thing that I streamed for. Frog? Frog? I love frog. Alright. What am I doing now? What's the biggest issue that I have? I did never share my itch. That's hilarious. I did forget. No, you'll get used to that. I don't know how to pay attention to one thing. That's my itch. I only have 2 things up right now. And then, oh yeah, like I said, I will start making an actual bigger game. But eventually. What does okay mean? It's just the response type. If it passes, then it works. Justin, forget something? No, that never happens. It zoomed out? What zoomed out? What zoomed out? I'm going crazy. Okay. What did I want to do? I'm coding a shake function. That's what I'm coding. That's what I've been coding for the past 53 minutes. And this is what I have so far. You know, like that scene from SpongeBob where he just has the word the? That's me. That's me right now. Let's code. To shake what? I want to shake the window. I want it to just go, right? Okay. Thought there was a neater way to write it. There could be, but it's just in Godot it does it that way. That's a weird language sometimes. All right. So we want the original position. Our position. Wait, we already have the position. Var original position equals position. Because I don't know. Hold on, let me just think how I'm gonna make it first. To shake a function, I need to offset it. We'll have it go through a timer. Do I want to do it through a timer? Or we could do a timer. And we could just have it shake. How do I want to do this? Godot does have a switch. Hello, Xena. Ah, welcome to Twitch. Very fast sine and cosine. I could, I don't know if, how I want to do it. I should find out how I did it in my other project, because that one was pretty good. Because for some reason I cannot focus because there's little gremlins typing in my chat. Greetings, werecats. Is there a cat? There's your cat. Okay. It is in this. It is in common UI. Where is it? Global? Window effects. Open with Visual Studio. Okay. So here's how it's gonna work. We're gonna have some export variables. Let's do this actually. Export category. This is Shrimp Miku, by the way, for anyone that was asking before. Is that the German-speaking cat? I believe it's the same model. It could be, because it's a free model on, it's just a completely free model on Sketchfab. But, I might switch it to a Pigeon that I made. Because I also, kind of want it to be a Pigeon. Or maybe not switch, but use both. Because I like that. So this is the function that I have. This is the shake function. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. Let's do... As a French person, I vote for Pigeon. Hello from Brazil. I work as a QA and currently I'm studying English here live. Are helping me practice my listening. I'm glad that it can help you. I will try to speak good English. I think I'm good at English. All right, what am I figuring out? Actually, these don't need to be exported.
Cheer 100 balls.
Oh, thanks, Matt. Where is that? Did you guys hear the TTS? What's that moving ominously in your background? My fan? That's my fan. Thank you, Matt, for the balls. We're going to not do that. We're going to... And then we're going to have a var original position. Vector 2? Yeah? Okay. So then we're going to have, when I shake, I'm going to equals position. And then on shake timer timeout. Broom, broom, broom.
Ride 100 balls.
Oh, thanks, Violet, for the balls. I appreciate it. I joined stream just to hear balls. Hey, you know, happen to the best of us. Do you like cheese? Yeah, I like cheese. I can't eat cheese. I don't know why I like hesitated on that so much. I'm like, yeah, I like cheese. What does this do? Well, it's gonna be refunded. Wait, that should have been disabled, I think. But tips show up at the beginning of the stream once I recode that. Actually, that might be a funny tip. I might keep that. If you're, I don't know if you're in VC with like Arnie, Matt, but he could, I think he could explain as well. You've been scammed? No, it'll be refunded if I decide not to use it, but it'll appear on the stream. Here, I'll disable it so you're not scammed. How the fuck do I disable this? What else is enabled? Screenshot? Screenshot still works, but I'm going to close it. Why do people keep saying balls? That's just how it is in this stream. Arnie has left us to another realm. Ugh. Is that how TTS works? The highlight message? No. Okay.
100 balls.
Thanks, Violet, for the balls. Here, you know what? I can keep this somewhere. I'll keep this up here. Just so people know that balls, it's important. We'll keep it somewhere. Oh, hey, Arnie. Hi, Justin. I was one of your oldest subscribers since you started your channel 2 weeks ago. And I commented on your video about blocks. Came back to me. 2 weeks ago? I started my channel over a year ago. I'm sorry. Have you ever eaten shrimp? Yeah, I made shrimp fried rice a couple days ago. I do feel like I recognize your name, though, James Elliott. I won't be wrong. Or I won't deny. Okay, let me go back to my function. This is going to happen every, like, it's going to be 0.1 or something. And then it's going to be one shot. This is going to shake timer play. Ooh, that's a good point. Is how am I going to do this part where it resets? Oh no, it doesn't want to be one shot. I have to pause it after a certain amount of time, don't I? I could do that with another timer, I think. What are coding right now? A little window shake function that I'm probably going to completely delete and redo. Have you ever eaten drywall? Probably. Have you ever eaten YouTube? No, I have not. Nobody's talking, so I'm going to break the silence. People are talking. Nobody's focusing. How do I do TTS? Violet, gave me bits, which is Twitch's currency. Violet sacrificed her money so that she could be funny. I used to have it so you could do TTS a lot easier, but it got super overwhelming. So we're going to make this one shot. This is going to be, oh, I don't know. Shake length timer. duration. Or is this, it wouldn't be play, it would be start. And then this is going to be shake length timer timeout void, which is going to be this. And then we're getting there. You ever eaten your toaster? No, but I made toast in my toaster last night.
Out cheer 100.
Yippee! You have. I'm gonna replace Violet's balls with you. Thanks, Megaton. I appreciate it. Currently, I'm playing Shapes 2, and man, am I getting this assembly line complicated. I think Violet likes that game. No, my balls. I'm sorry, Violet. I can't have your balls shown all the time. Eventually, I will. That sounds weird, because I cut myself off.
Cheer 100.
Oh. Thank you, Megaton. We'll keep balls. What is happening? I could eat trains. Ad starting in a minute. On Twitch. Okay. Hello, Robin Rainbow. Welcome to chat. I'm totally being productive right now. I'm being very productive. So what we're gonna do is shake timer is gonna stop. Shake timer is gonna start. This is not gonna be one shot. This is gonna be one shot.
F in chat for Violet. Cheer 100.
Are we, am I replacing this one? Thank you, Megaton. We're gonna have no balls? Do you want me to keep both? What am I doing here? I'll replace it. I'm sorry, Violet. What's my favorite character, Burb or Shrimp? I don't know. Shrimp has definitely driven my channel to much glory. But Burb is special to me.
Cheer 100 balls T head.
What the heck just happened? Are we fighting over what's displayed now? Is this what I have to do? Thanks. I mean, hey, I'm not complaining. Ooh. You have birds and shrimps? Oh, I forgot I even had my mouse destroyer up. What are you doing? Okay, guys, I can't display all these. Which one am I getting rid of? Is this one?
Cheer 100 Mika balls.
Oh, okay, guys. I have to code. Protein machines. Did you know that when you make cookies, you should not add galvanized steel to them instead of sugar? Because it's not sweet and it'll make the cookies very bitter. I expected so. Good to know. I'll write that down. Birding machines are so fun when the backing gets caught. I'm planning on making a shrimp once I'm done. Making a few Kirby's, but the problem is I have to remake the shrimp in program. That'd be cool to embroider shrimp. I'm gonna start learning to crochet once I'm not lazy. But eventually, mark my words. Very different things, but both involve thread, I think. Well, I don't know. Shake duration. Original
Twitch
position equals
Prime subs
position.
Also balls cheer 100.
Yeah, oh, thanks, Matt. Yeah, I'll keep this one up for a little while. Thanks, Matt. You will not work tonight. Apparently not. Shrimp VTuber when? I could eventually. I kind of want to do a pigeon one because that one will be very easy because I can rig it. Anybody noticing how he's slowly been turning into a crab? Can't just be me. I think I'm fine. I don't see any crabs. Thank you for warning me, Chubby. I'll keep an eye out. Okay, let me actually look at this. I didn't realize how unproductive I would be. I'm like, yeah, this will get me more productive because I'll have like accountability, but no, I'm just not coding. I mean, it doesn't really matter. No one cares except me. So when I start the shake length timer, that's going to, this is to reset it. And then this does that during that. So that should not be a problem. Now I just have to find a way to enable the duration. Extend this to Notepad window. Actually, could I? Did my Twitch chat stop working? Can you guys hear the Twitch sounds anymore? What? Why'd you... Why? Oh. Ah! Ah! Okay, I knew this was bound to happen again. I don't know what it was that caused this this error. To be fair, this will probably only happen when I'm debugging. Yeah, I think this issue will only be happening when I am debugging. Ah, yes. Glad to know that this works. There we go. I'm sorry I had to get rid of your sub to Prime message, Matt. It hurts me more than it hurts you. Hey. There we go. Just a tiny bit of oopsie. A tiny oopsie. What am I coding? I'm coding the thing that you see before your eyes right now. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. What are we gonna do? Do you know if Twitch compresses a video? I don't think Twitch does. I don't know.
Cheer 100. Don't forget to sub with Twitch Prime also balls. Again.
Thanks, Matt. You should do what Matt says. I don't know. I'm not good at this marketing stuff. He's updating humans. Fixing the choke on air bugs. Yeah, that one's hard though to figure out. Fortunately. Crochet's okay if you know how to file the directions. Yeah, so I got a little... I got a little Woobles kit that I'm going to be working on eventually. And that'll be fun. I just have had no time since Christmas because I've been doing so much stuff. Woobles is like a little crochet tutorial care package. I don't remember where I was. I'm here. So, and then I wanted to come here and see text changed. We want to go text changed on this, on text edit, and then I can rename this to Notepad window. Crocheting, shake first. Yes, we're doing shake. We're doing shake. Then we're going to say shake. Duration 2 or 1. However, does this mean I can just restart? Wait, that sort of works. That sort of works already. Am I just goated with the sorry. YouTube. Matt, get out of YouTube. Get out of YouTube. Get out of there. Been coding for a while and recently made a random sentence generator. Even inspired me to make music, and I'm currently working on a song called Corgi with a Gun. That's sick. Not strong enough vibrations? No, I know. Hey, this has an error. Very low timer weights may behave in significantly different ways depending on the rendered or physics variant. Consider using a script's process loop instead of relying on a timer. Okay. Guess we have to fix that. So that is from the previous setup that I had, which is down here. From my Japanese kana project. I think if the shaking was a little faster, it'd look better. Oh no, I know. I'm working on that. Don't worry about it, man. So we're going to have on shake timer timeout can be gone. Right. And then this will just be shake timer equals duration. And then I don't need this anymore. And this will be original position equals position. This will be shake timer has the same name as a previously declared variable. So we're doing it the original way that I wanted to. Instead, sorry, I'm locking in. Okay. Don't care. Hey. Don't care. Don't care. Don't care. Invalid operands, object, and float. Shake timer is not an object. Is delta a frickin'... Ah, what the hell happened? Okay. I found an issue. Give me one moment. I love debugging live. So, my Twitch sounds disabled again, I think. Right? Because I just saw someone's... Oh, no, just Twitch died in general. Okay. Whatever. See you later, Emmy Temmy. Thanks for stopping by. Yes, every window got moved to 0, 0 and then was stuck there. Because this original position here, it's because shake timer was over. Because of the way that I handled it. I'm gonna make it so if it's equal to 0, so right on the last bit, it undoes. Or no, if it's equal to 1, I don't know. I don't know, we'll figure that out. Doesn't really matter too much. So now, where'd Notepad go? So now the only issue is it does shake around all over the place and lasts a little longer than I want it to. But that's fine. Can you have negative positions? Probably, but then it'll be gone. Yeah, Twitch is broken. Twitch keeps breaking, so I guess I'll write that down. I'll fix that off camera because that's probably gonna be a oh, I already written that down. Yeah, I'm like, I wonder what I can do. It makes me wonder if I can instead... Oh wait, I remember I was gonna check my console. Okay. So it did reconnect to StreamerBot. Connected dot connect unconnected. I could do this, but last time this gave me a bug. So now I just have to wait for it to crash again. So I'll pause it, try and force a crash. Play it. That didn't really help. I'm solving too many issues at once. Straight bugging it in the code today. Oh yeah. How many balls do you need? Violet, no, I'm sorry that it broke. But thanks for the bits. I appreciate it. Okay. So that might work if it's already connected. It's hard to tell. This is a weird one. I'll write that down there, and I guess issue is that the WebSocket disconnects but doesn't, or it reconnects but doesn't reconnect to Twitch and YouTube events. kind of crashes it. It doesn't technically crash, it just freezes and then the WebSocket reconnects. And when it reconnects, because I have an auto reconnect, you see StreamerBot connect down here. When it auto reconnects, it doesn't connect to YouTube and Twitch just because of the way that I set that up. But we'll figure that out. Can I make the cat's headphones pink? I actually can. I'm not going to right now because I don't want to get too distracted away from the two things I'm already currently doing. That would be a third thing. But eventually I'm going to add a cosmetic system so the cat will have different things. But it also might be, I might do, it'll be a, Pigeon as well, which will also have a cosmetic system. Just so I can switch things around. So I'm going to shake, we're going to shake for like 1.1. And then I need to change the intensity as well. Set up intensity. That will be shake intensity equal intensity. And then we could do God, I can't type for the life of me. Yes, I understand. Did it reconnect? Oh. Okay. So that's basically a Godot hard crash. Because I'm currently debugging Godot while using it, it'll give me a bad index address every once in a while. And then break. When Hatoful? I don't know. Probably next week I might finish it. It's mostly a Valentine's event. But I might finish the game because it's funny. And I kind of want to, date that one guy. What was his name? Ryoko? So at least now we get Twitch back. You return. Uh-oh. Hmm. Gotta date Oko-san? No, I can't. So this is giving me a bit of an issue. When I open this and then use Godot, it's lagging a lot because I think it can't find Godot. So you see how it's lagging there? So let me change that in the Spout filter to update it. Because it's still doing it right there. You set the window for display to RoboS. What'd that mean? You set the window for display to RoboS. You mean like have it display itself? That would just be broken. I wonder what's happening with this. Why it's so laggy. Because the camera works fine. What if I open up Spout? Why is Godot not working? What if I change the name to that? Interesting. That worked. So now it's Godot 1 for some reason. Weird. That works now. Let's figure out the shake timer. And then what we wanted to do before we crashed several times now what we want to do is when the shake ends, so I wonder if I could do that with a Boolean. So now I should be able to... But it still does that. The heck are you guys talking about in chat? Both my chats right now are weird. What are you doing? I'm gonna continue that thing. I've been streaming for almost 2 hours. I usually don't go too long with the streams, but I want to get at least a couple features in, and I like to be a lot more chill with these streams now. Just kind of want to vibe. So we don't need that one either. Let's come here. If it's shaking position equal original position, is shaking equal false. So it should be working. My brain's just not paying attention to it enough. I could also just move this to shaking on my own, because I have moving and resizing. Who knows how I'll change it. The shaking intensity is good, but the issue is that if I type enough, notice how it starts to get offset a little bit. Yeah, see now how it's up there? It's funny. It works well. But I'm like, how? Made it to stream. Hello, Grimmins. Grimmins07? Sorry if I don't pronounce that right. Just finished my GED to find you streaming. Congrats. Been trying to learn a simple language like Lua or Python, but keep procrastinating. You seem to be good at this. Any tips? I just have goals that I really want to make that I'm like, if I don't know what I'm doing, I'm still going to figure out how to meet those goals. And I've done that long enough where I kind of figured out how to do it. But then I'd also say there's really good documentation for at least Godot. So I'm pretty sure that there is with Lua and Python. Goodbye, Matt. Welcome in, welcome in. Sorry, I'm being a little... I'm very low energy at the moment, which is why I'm doing more of a chill thing, because I don't feel too well. But I'm also just working on coding, and my brain is being fried. And I'm eating rice and beans still. Goodbye, Matt. Okay. I think I know why. I understand why, but I don't know how to fix it. The issue is that when I shake, it grabs the original position. Once the shake is over, it takes that original position and resets it, just so that it doesn't offset. However, if I type really fast, it grabs the original position, or it resets the original position in the middle of the shake, so it offsets either way. So I have to make sure it gets the original position before that shake all the time. So I wonder if I could do, if it is not shaking, then do it. I think I'm a genius. Okay. Cool. So I did that. I'll probably fix this code to make it look better later, even though it's not that bad. But huh. What is this? Where is this used? Nowhere. What is this? This is my main. That's not the main one. So what I wanted to do now is make it so the faster that I type, the more intense. So now I have to make it so it can get my words per minute. So I'll make a little keyboard global class, which will mean I have to restart again. But that's fine. But you can't see this part because it's technically another window. So this is keyboard. It's going to see let's see, how does it calculate? How do I calculate words per minute? I had a tab open, a Stack Overflow. Number of words typed. So let me write this. Number of words typed divided by elapsed time in seconds times 60. Oh, and it's gone. Oh, that's interesting. I'll write that down too. All right. Thank you, Violet, for shilling me. I appreciate it. It's the Shrimp Composer. That's me. What's up? I'm coding brain dead things. Number of words typed divided by elapsed time in seconds times 60. So maybe I don't need a keyboard global. And I wonder if I can do it in here. When I start typing, and then have like a window. Huh? My ad just said, not right now, Mom. I'm gaming with the boys. That's crazy. You want a cat back? I'll put the cat as well. I don't know why that one takes so long to... Like, look at that. You see this delay? Wow. I'm like lagging it. Here we go. Okay. Just here to say I was here. Have fun coding. Farewell, fish. Thanks for stopping by. And the ads have ended. You didn't miss anything. So I'm like, if I start a timer, like a cooldown of like, I don't know, 0.5 seconds, just to see if I'm still typing. Or no, it could be like, oh, like 2 seconds. And then, God, it's so hard to focus with music. I'm just gonna take my headphones off. It's fine. Start a timer at 2 seconds, and then that'll be like the cooldown. So if that's still running, it'll restart. And then it's like I got a headband. If it's still running, restart the timer. Gotta get so lost in this music every single time. How do you guys code with music on? Or like with sound? How do you do that? I literally cannot... My God, my Spotify just said it was playing for an hour for a second, which is not true. This is not an hour-long song. I'm sure some of you would want that. If I'm still running, restart the timer. And then during that timer is when I can... So while the timer is going on, it can count the words per minute. So like when type. Okay. God, I wish I could like brain. I should put this on the text edit, but I've made this a zoom in text edit, which I guess I should turn into a node, which lets me factor, like do that weird mumbo jumbo stuff instead. But I'll fix that up later when I need to. Okay, listen, don't give me anxiety, okay? Ugh. This question, do you happen to have ADHD? You seem really... I do not have ADHD. As far as I know. Megalovania cover? I probably would eventually. The fuck am I doing? Words per minute. Number of words typed, elapsed time in seconds. So, when the timer starts, it's going to be 1 second, because every per second. And then it's going to be... Oh, no, wait. I forgot how timers work for a second. This is going to be the second timer. And then I'm going to have a length timer. Right? Unfortunately. And then that's also going to start. So this will be 2 seconds, one shot. When the length timer ends is when this timer will stop. And then what do I call this? Timer. Brain's not focusing. So, coding seems stressful. It's not stressful at all. It's only stressful when I'm streaming it. I love coding. It's very chill when I'm not streaming it. I need to eat my food. Oh, my cat broke for a second. Actually, yeah, I like coding. It's only stressful when I'm streaming and can't, because I have, when I'm streaming, I have music playing. I have a chat, 2 chats that I'm reading. And then I have to make sure everything's going on, and I'm coding. And I'm like, I don't want to just fully ignore chat, even though sometimes I do. But I don't code with music because I find it distracting. I do. Yeah, but the viewers really want it. It's stressful when I can't find out how to fix a problem in a long chat or in a long project. Yeah. Yeah. So this is going to... Is it gonna... Does it restart it every time I do that? I think that should work. And then timer start. That's gonna be every second. So it's counting... This is counting the seconds. So timer is counting the seconds gone by. Length timer is counting... I'll name them better when I can figure out how to name them. Length timer is just counting, or it's just is the window for how long it can tell I'm typing. Because I don't have like a start and stop typing thing. So I guess I can call this typing timer or cooldown timer. Type timer. Just so I know. And then this will be, then this could be length timer. No, I don't want to call it a time timer. That'd be crazy. Is that your cover of Falling Down? Yeah. Is there a reason why I only show Twitch chat on screen? It's a Twitch policy. I cannot show YouTube on screen. All the attention goes to Twitch. But hey, at least I'm streaming on YouTube now. Half the people on my channel didn't even know I had a Twitch. What sort of music do I like to listen to? I would show you if they wouldn't copyright strike me. I like to listen to a lot of Vocaloid. Hatsune Miku's fire. Sawtown's fire. Taka's fire. But there's a lot of different variety of things. Like Bryant Barnes is not Vocaloid, but he's fire. Let me find a non-Vocaloid. Calafina? I don't know how to pronounce their name. A lot of Madoka Magica soundtrack is great. Minecraft soundtrack is great. I go back and forth between a lot of things depending on my mood. Roque Nardin, fantastic artist. He is. Composer. I listen to so much. I just started listening to Hakuto, which is a piano composer. And he's fantastic because I've been teaching myself piano recently. Kikuo, yeah, I love Kikuo. And Kikuo Hana, their collaboration together, great. Have you listened to any classical? Oh, of course I have. I've listened to classical a lot because I grew up playing the cello in elementary, middle school, and high school. So classical's a staple. That's what Hakuto does. Your shrimp songs hilariously remind me of the Bach inventions. There's gonna be a lot of classical I don't know the words, but there's gonna be a lot of reference and inspiration from that. Unintentionally, just because that's how I grew up and that's how I would write music when I was younger. Not really make anything, but I just figure out how to play stuff. And it would always be in that sense because that's just that's really all I knew. Undertones? Yeah, I think that's a good word. You listen to Rabzi? I've never heard of them. What the hell am I doing? See, I'm not even just bad at paying attention. My memory just completely wipes, and I'm like, I don't know where I've been for the past 10 minutes. Cello is one of my favorite instruments ever. My best friend plays cello. That right there This is a cello in the corner. You can hardly see, but that black... You can see that black bit? That's a cello. I haven't played it in a while. But I've been like... I'm like mid at cello. There's some cellists that I hear on Instagram that are like fantastic. But I've been getting a little back into it. But I'm figuring out how to play piano more. Because contrary to popular belief, I hardly know how to play piano. And I'm currently learning how to use two hands at once. Because that's just impossible unless it's the exact same rhythm. There's like a song that I just started getting sheet music, and I can read it very slowly. I can read bass clef, of course, because I play cello, but treble clef, I'm like just translating from bass clef. I'm like, okay, move this like up 3 or whatever. My second favorite music artist is Toby Fox. That's fair. Toby Fox is so good. I love Toby Fox. I listen to him as well. That one artist who seems to be under... I don't know who you're referring to. Carpet. That was my favorite thing he's ever made in my entire life. Carpet. Carpet. Alright. So, if I'm typing, which is the type timer... I'm so good at paying attention! We have this timer. We can technically ignore the type timer, right? On type timer. Can I rename this? Because the type timer is done. All it does is consider when I'm typing. Which we could just do like a... Actually, wait. Can I do a function? Is there like an is running for a typer? For a typer? For a timer? Paused. If not paused. No, I'm just gonna do it the easy way out. Which is gonna be... What am I doing? I am coding... Good, I'm coding... So the thing that you see here is my stream setup, and I'm coding it, which is a bad idea. Like, you can literally see that it's running right now. Because that's what we're doing. I mean, that's what I'm in. But, yeah, I'm coding my stream. I'm coding what you see now. So what I'm currently doing... The current thing I'm working on is I liked this little effect. Uh-oh. Hello? I can't move this. Can I move this? Can I move this? Notepad won't let me move it anymore. Why? Do you hate me? Hate me? You want me to die? Hello? Why is this bug happening? Hello. Why is this bug happening? What's your opinion on potatoes? They're pretty awesome. This is a weird bug that's bothering me. But basically, okay, so what I'm working on is... Oh. That's it. That's the... Okay, wait. I'm working on something that makes it shake, but it's not shaking because of a little oopsie bug. This is pissing me off. I'm probably gonna end stream soon though. You also so I can take break from this and come back to it. Why would this not be doing that? I think it's one of these lines. Is shake timer greater than 0? No. LF shaking. See you later, Bishop. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yeah, if you're upset that the YouTube chat isn't showing, read the description of the video. Is it always shaking? No. It's not shaking at all. And that's why I'm like, I think the position's broken. What if I completely do this? No, unrelated to that. Is it always shaking? I don't think so. What's the only like new thing that I've been working on with the Notepad? Why would it? Why do you hate me? Why do you hate me? Figured it out. Hate myself. This is crazy. This is crazy. You ready for this shit? You ready for this shit? This is gonna work now. Enable my funny mic and hope that it picks that up so it could be funny. I'm so tired after that. You ever have like the worst problem ever? Or the simplest problem ever, but now it's the worst thing ever because it's breaking everything, but it's like, oh, let me comment out one piece of code. I'm fine though. So, let's see. No? Shut the fuck up, Arnie. Anyways, this is what I was coding, by the way. This is what I'm currently coding, is this. You see how it's shaking? That's what I like. Justin Circle when? I think that's my name. No, we don't want that one to play. Oh shit, where am I? We'll play this one. Just kidding, we're gonna play this one. Because then I don't have to go back and play it another one after later. Eventually, I'm going to make this not just play my music. I'm going to make a playlist. But I have to find something that's like everything that's guaranteed copyright free. So it's going to be Undertale music, this. And whoever else. Isn't there someone named... I don't know. We'll find my old playlist, remove a few things. I'm so good at like reading messages, unconsciously responding to them with whatever I said. Because I know that I read Justin Circle When. No idea what I said. It's weird now that when you think how you put all that work just to make it shake. To be fair, I had a few bugs. I had a few detours. And I am also doing 3 things at once. Phone about to die. I just want to say I love this song you made called Numbskull. It's generally one of my favorite songs whenever it appears in the rotation. I appreciate that. Thanks for stopping by, Lukisa. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. But no, I appreciate that. I'm glad people like Numbskull. That was a... There's gonna be more Hatsune Miku songs soon. I love the Mirror song series. What, In the Mirror and Memory Lane? Those are technically in the same series. Okay, we're gonna have this now print is typing. Which is going to do a lot of things that I don't want. Wait. You see that? You see how it's printing null as well? Sharks with Legs is great. I've had like 3 ideas of how I can make something similar, like in the same reign as Sharks with Legs, but I've been so afraid because I'm like, I think I have a subconscious goal of one-upping it, and then I have these like expectations of how I want to one-up it. Even though it's going to be a completely different video, like the goal isn't actually to one-up it. I just think that in my head, it's like what I want to do. So I'm like, I never finish it, but I'm eventually, there's like a few songs there that eventually I will get out because I have a few plans for this year. So why is it printing null? Because is typing is never... Is typing is never... I guess it doesn't matter if it's null. I don't know, because is it actually... So it should be true. And then it's going to eventually go false. There we go. I almost just closed down Godot. Because I'm just so used to that in the process. Yours is Lilac Fields, the one I keep skipping. Is it the one? That's the one that I keep skipping. It's just not my favorite one. I think it's because in my head I know how I wanted to mix it and it's mixed it differently. And also, I think that's why a lot of artists don't listen to the music. Because for me, it's not that I don't like it. That's why I'm listening to it. Of course, I like my own music. But there's certain things that I'm like, I had intended it for it to be this way and it came out differently. Or after a while, I've improved in one area. So I don't want to see... Like, I can't listen to Sharks with Legs anymore. Even though a lot of people like it, I just don't listen to it that much anymore. Because I've improved in like 6 different areas so much that I just focus on those areas whenever I listen to it. I can just hear it. I can hear my intention behind everything. Sorry, the cat was covered. I didn't even realize. Okay. What am I doing? I don't know why at some points is typing is false and null. I don't know how it gets there. I don't know. It literally is only ever set to true, false, or false. So I think it's printing something else, or it's just bug or something. You like Shrimp Miku? Thanks. I think that's pretty cool. Hello, Raxty Flipnote. What's up? What are you doing? I'm losing all of my brain cells. It's so hard to focus on like doing a thing and streaming. Like gaming and streaming is easier for me because I can brain dead speak about literally anything. But I'm like actually doing something with my brain and streaming and reading both chats. I don't know. Oh, you summoned the gremlins. So most of the stream is just me chatting away. Okay, what am I doing? So if I am typing, so is typing works now. So it's gonna be if is typing, then calculate the words per minute. But we can do that in this now. So if is typing. There's a new thing. What's the new thing? I don't want to say those words out loud. Consists of 2 cat ears, mostly of the color white. Huh? Where is it going? Here, I was pulling up this. Oh, mind my now white face. We're going to do that here. And then we're going to print the words per minute. So number of words typed, I have to figure out. And then elapsed time in seconds is going to be the type timer. No, timer. Dot length, right? Or timer dot something to get the how long it's gone for. Maybe I just up that. So then hey, you weren't supposed to save. Please don't say you disconnected. Oh, you did connect. Oh, thank goodness. What are you on about, Lior? I don't know if my eyes can read that. Ah, I see. I just use pure Java or Python or whatever else I'd use. That's fair. Oh yeah, ads are happening on Twitch. Oopsies. Okay. Number of words typed is another thing. I didn't consider that. How do I get the number of words typed? I didn't think this far ahead. I just got the elapsed time. That's what all this effort was, is to figure out how long I've been typing for. I'm probably going to completely rid of this and just not going to do it like this. But it'd be really funny if I do it like this. Because the faster you type, the more it shakes. That makes sense, right? We understand. So, number of words typed. How do I get that? This guy definitely watches Bill Words. Yeah, he does. Can you use Godot call the Windows API if you really wanted to? Yes, there's some GDScript stuff with the Windows API that's kind of odd. But there's a C# version of Godot, and you can call the Windows API there because it's in C#. So yeah, you can. There's some weird ways to do it. I wouldn't. GDScript, you can do a couple things in it, but you'll find some issues. But you'll be good if you use C#, I believe. Okay, how do I get my number of words? Number of keystrokes divided by... So someone says number of keystrokes divided by the time in minutes. Percentages of accurate words. I don't need that. So this could be number of keystrokes, which will just be, this can be an int. Technically, this can also be an int. No. So on timer, timeout, so on text change. Plus equals 1. Hello, Poison the Angel. I'm doing well. How are you? I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm probably gonna have to change. So the exclamation point playlist command I disabled because I'm actually not using that playlist right now. Because YouTube will copyright strike me. So I'll re-enable it when I get a new playlist. So that'll be that, and then so now this should be keystrokes that elapse time in seconds. Just so I know. I could just call this seconds as well. Well, who cares at this point? Okay. I divided by 0. I love coding so much. Okay.
Pride 100, oh no, I dropped my balls. Pride 100, oh no, I dropped my balls.
Thanks, Violet. What just happened? That scared me. Thanks, Violet. I'll keep the 1. Thanks for your balls. Okay, well that's clearly not right. Because it's multiplying by 60. Well, here, let's see keystrokes. Elapsed time in seconds. I'm just going to print them all. Okay. So both of these are right. It's just the calculation of the words per minute because it's keystrokes. So what if please be safe, Justin. You never know when the parasite comes. Nah, I'll be fine. I'm already infected with plenty of parasites. Bart! Oh, why is there 2 now? Oh, we have double messaging. Oh, we have double messaging. That's back. Double messaging is back after trying to fix that issue. Oh, how unfortunate. I don't know how to fix that. Thank you, Bart, for resubscribing. Thank you. I appreciate it. 10 balls. Your message didn't show. Because I guess I wasn't aware that there was a message. Let me write down that Twitch chat is breaking. Twitch chat's sound stops working. I don't know why. Okay, I can restart it in a minute. Once I figure out words per minute is going to be float. Words per minute is going to be keystrokes plus equals 1 divided by elapsed time in seconds. We love recurring characters. Welcome back, double chat. Yes. You know what? We'll just have 2 chats just to live it up. You know what I mean? Double chat. Uh-oh. Am I slow now? No, we got quadruple chat. Let me figure this out. Actually, you know what I could do? Now the sound is play 4 times. See, why not just embrace it? Keystrokes. Is it running slowly? It is running super slowly, and I don't know why. And then also elapsed time in seconds isn't working anymore. On timer timeout. Is this JavaScript? No, this is a GDScript. It's Godot. Tired encoding, but still here. I'm tired encoding too. And probably won't be here for a little longer. Let me hype you up. Thanks. I'll put you on display. Thank you, Chubby Axolotl. I just have to figure out why elapsed time in seconds is going to 0. So this shouldn't reset. Well, it is 0 here, but it starts at 0. And then at this timer on timer timeout, it adds 1, which is this timer. So every time that it starts, if timer is stopped or timer is paused, maybe only make it start. Or I could see starts the timer if it was not started already. So no, I don't need that. Oh, but I should set type timer. I don't know, actually. So elapsed time in seconds is equal to 0. But it's adding to keystrokes every 1 second instead of this. No, I think it's just because it's super... I know why. It's the type timer. Oh, quoque. Sorry if I sound awkward or anything, but I'm not sure what to say. No, you're good. Don't worry about it. I don't think you've done anything, you've said anything wrong. Once I figure out this issue, I'm ending stream. And then I'm fucking off for eternity. Never to come back. As in, I'm probably gonna nap. Text edit has changed. Oh, that's probably printing a lot. Yeah. Okay. It's because I don't actually know why it is. Cynthia, you broke my chat. It couldn't recognize your badge for some reason. Everything's fine. What if I put this after? Now it's 3. That's awesome. Welcome back, triple chat. I know why it does that. It's kind of annoying too. But I just don't know how to fix it. So I have to undo what I've done, I have to come here and do this. Oh, well now chat just doesn't work? Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Eventually, once you save too much, it crashes. It's bound to happen. Okay. Welcome back, chat. I'm gonna go take a nap. Who would have thought that doing so much at once is difficult? I still think I'm gonna do it. We're gonna build up that skill of being able to code with shit happening in the background. Good evening, Earman. Also, goodbye, unfortunately. I'm gonna end the stream in a moment here. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. And if you're on YouTube, come and follow on Twitch if you haven't. I might be doing or I am going to be doing like custom reward things. What are they called? They're called chat rewards, but it's just you redeem the points that you get over time. Hello, Eli. And goodbye, Eli. Take breaks. Yeah, I do need to take a break. I'm sorry. Simply brain not braining. But there's my coding. There's my attempt at coding. When I'm back, I imagine the bugs that we discovered are going to be fixed because it's going to be probably a full week or maybe at least a few days. But I know that I'm going to continue coding today. I simply know it. But okay, good night, good night, good night, good night. I don't even know if I'm going to sleep, but I'm going to at least put my face in my pillow.